Good morning, students. Today I am going to teach you the third law or the third property of whole numbers. So, before teaching this, I would like to revise first the two laws that I taught you in the previous classes. So, the first law was closure property or closure law of whole numbers. Under this, you learned that whole numbers are closed under addition and also multiplication. That is, sum of two whole numbers will always be a whole number and the product of two whole numbers will always be a whole number. I explained this with the help of example also. I proved this, okay? And the second law was commutative law of addition and multiplication. In this, you learned that the order in which numbers are arranged does not affect the answer in addition and multiplication. In addition and in multiplication. I even proved this law as well. So, today I will teach you the third law, that is the associative law. This also works under addition and multiplication only. This is somehow based on the second law, that is commutative law. In the commutative law, what you learned? You learned that the order in which the numbers are arranged does not affect the answer in addition and in multiplication. Therefore, this law also works on addition and multiplication only. In this, there is one addition to the commutative law. In this, the order in which numbers are grouped, we group the numbers. In this law, we group the numbers. Does not affect the answer. Like, if you write A plus B plus C, or you write A plus B plus C. In the first, we grouped A and B together, and in second, we grouped B and C together. Grouping any numbers does not affect the answer. Also, it will be equal to A plus B plus C also. Okay? So, grouping numbers will not affect the answer. So, I will explain this with example, that is 2 plus 3 plus 5. In the first one, I grouped 2 and 3 together, and in the second one, I grouped 3 and 5 together. As you know the basic rule of board mass, I guess you have learned that in your previous classes, that we first of all we solve the bracket. So, I will solve here 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. And 5 I will copy down 5 over here. Similarly here 2 I will copy down, and 3 plus 5 I will do. 3 plus 5 is 8. The answer is 5 plus 5 10, or 2 plus 8 10. The answer is the same. The grouping did not affect the answer over here. Similarly in multiplication the law applies. A into B into C, where A and B are in bracket and C is different, is equal to A into B into C, where we have kept A different and B, we have grouped B and C together in a bracket. See this also with an example, that is 2 into 3 into 4. That is, first of all I grouped 2 and 3 together, and in the second example I grouped 3 and 4 together. The numbers are same, 2 3 4, 2 3 4. But only the grouping is different. Okay, so we will apply the board mass rule over here as well. Bracket of, we will do bracket first, that is 2 into 3 6, and we will copy down 4. Here we will copy down 2 and we will do the bracket first, that is 3 into 4, that is 12. So 6 4s are 24, and 2 into 12, that is 12 2s are 24. The answer is same. This applies in addition and multiplication. This is the third law or third property of whole numbers, that is associative law. Go through this. I will ask you all on the online class I will take on Monday. Okay? I'll ask you all the three laws, and everyone should know about it. Right? Go through the videos, go through the previous videos, Go through this video and try to connect all the laws, and you can also prove this with taking few more examples. Like I have given you one example over here, one example over here. Take few more examples, take 3-4 examples more, and try to prove it. In all the laws you can do this. Okay, try exploring. I'll ask you all the laws on Monday on the online class. Okay.